Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and sound at your homes. Let's start our class. Today we are going to revise some previous topics and our topic is present indefinite tense. As we all know, what we do in our present times is present indefinite tense. और इसकी पहचान है ता है, ती है, ते है. In these sentences, there are three types of sentences: positive, negative, and interrogative. Let's look into the formation of positive sentence. First, subject plus first form of verb plus s or es plus object. Let's learn about what is the subject in the sentence. The subject is naming part of the sentence and it shows what the sentence is about or what is performing an action in the sentence. The next part is verb. In present indefinite tense, we use first form of verb. And verb is an action word. For example, run, eat, read, and write. And at the last, we have object. Object may be a noun or a pronoun or a noun phrase which a verb performs an action on. जिस पे वर्ब एक्शन परफॉर्म करता है वो हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट होता है एंड इट फॉल्स एट द एंड ऑफ अ सेंटेंस. नाउ लेट्स लर्न अबाउट हाउ वी राइट एस और यस विद द फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. लेट्स लर्न अबाउट पर्सन्स. First person, I and we are the first person, the person who is talking. Second person is you, the person whom we are talking to about something or about some other person. It is the second person. And the third person is he, she, it and singular noun. The person whom we two are talking about is the third person. And whenever our subject is third person singular or third person singular noun, we write s or es with the first form of the verb in the sentence. Let's look into the examples of positive sentences. मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ. I go to school. तुम खाना खाते हो. You eat meal. Next example is वो हर रोज सैर को जाता है. He goes for a walk daily. अली चाय पीता है. अली takes tea. When the subject is singular noun, we write s or es with the form of verb like Ali takes tea. Helping verb used in these sentences is do and does. Do and does is not used in positive sentences but in negative and interrogative sentences. Do is used with I, we, you, they and plural noun, and does is used with he, she, it and singular noun. Always remember this when do is used and when does is used. The next one is negative sentences. Negative sentences are typically formed by adding the word not after the helping verb. इनको हम उर्दू में मनफी फ़िक्रात भी कहते हैं जिसमें हम नहीं का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Formation of negative sentences is like first subject, then do does plus not plus first form of verb plus object. In these sentences, not is used after the helping verb like do not or does not. The examples of negative sentences are हम हर रोज़ अखबार नहीं पढ़ते हैं. We do not read newspaper daily. रिफ़त ख़त नहीं लिखती है. रिफ़त does not write a letter. And the next sentence is interrogative sentences. These are the sentences which are end with question marks. In these sentences, we ask a direct question. Formation of these sentences are like first helping verb do or does, then subject plus first form of verb which is also called main verb in the sentence plus object and at the last question mark which is very important. Examples of interrogative sentences are क्या तुम घर जाते हो? Do you go to home? क्या वो फुटबॉल खेलता है? Does he play football? So these are the present indefinite tense. Now let's do words opposite from our chapter number 1, the lazy little girl. First one is buy and its opposite is sell. खरीदना बेचना. Doubtful यानी शक में. Confident यानी पुरएतमाद. Generous means दरिया दिल and its opposite is miserly which means कंजूस. Starve means भूखा and its opposite is well-fed means रजा रजाया. Superb means outstanding and its opposite is unimpressive. The last word is wrap and its opposite is unwrap. So these are the words opposite. Revise them. And the next one are words meanings. The first one is awful which means bad or unpleasant. Doubtful which means insecure. As जिनको हम उर्दू में बोना कहते हैं. tiny imaginary creatures with magical powers. Mark or German currency. Miracle, एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी हैपनिंग जिसको हम मौजज़ा कहते हैं. स्प्लेंडिड इसका मतलब होता है शानदार, वंडरफुल. स्टार्व, टू हैव ऑलमोस्ट नथिंग टू ईट. सुपर्ब, आउटस्टैंडिंग, एक्सीलेंट. Town crier, a person who makes public announcements in the streets. Workmanship, the art or skill of a workman. So these are the words meaning. Revise them, and the next topic is syllable. Divide each word given below into syllables and learn the correct pronunciation. Cartoon. There are 2 syllables in this word. Umbrella. In this word, we have 3 syllables. Now read these words and count how many syllables these words have. So these are the revision topics. Revise them. Meet you in the next class. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.